7 motivation hacks that will change your life. Number 7 is the game changer you've been waiting for. 1. Set small, achievable goals. Break larger goals into smaller tasks. Small wins keep you motivated. 2. Find your why. Understanding your deeper purpose fuels long-term motivation. 3. Visualize your success regularly. Picture yourself achieving your goals. Visualization makes your dreams feel more attainable. 4. Create a routine. Consistency builds momentum. Stick to a daily schedule that aligns with your goals. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Build a network of supportive, motivating people who uplift you. 6. Track your progress regularly. Review and celebrate your achievements to stay motivated. 7. Stay flexible. Adapt to changes and obstacles without losing sight of your ultimate goal. Which motivation hack resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and share this video with someone who needs a boost.